I won't explain how the Lightning Network works. That will be done by the experts. What I will explain is why we create it. So as you know, for example, if you have your own pizza store, this actually is, pizza, it states. And this is person A. Let's call person A Jamie. And Jamie wants to eat not one pizza, but 2 pizza, because Jamie likes pizzas a lot. So normally if he pays 2 Bitcoin, for example, a Bitcoin per pizza, the pizzeria doesn't know whether he or she received the Bitcoin, because the Bitcoin network is slow, and not only that, Jamie would need to pay a certain amount of fee. When buying pizza, it isn't such a huge amount of fee, but when buying pizza very often, you can imagine every time paying a small fee might rise in the transaction cost. Still keep in mind that it's cheaper than the 1.5 to 3.5% that you pay on every transaction, but that you don't see. We will learn you all about it later, but we mentioned that once before. So we need a solution for this problem. The pizzeria doesn't want to wait 10 to 60 minutes and Jamie doesn't want to pay the fee. So hence introducing a scaling option, which is a layer 2 solution as mentioned many times before, the Lightning Network. Other than being a very cool name, it actually can offer a lot of transactions within a very short amount of time for a very short amount of fee. We explained it previously that Jamie not directly transfers the money to the pizza store, so they have a public key, Jamie has a public key, but instead he puts it in a smart contract that is connected to a lot of other smart contracts. So in this case, I will stop drawing here and I will guide you towards the bluish picture in the slides. You can see all these smart contracts or all the nodes running these contracts connected with each other. And this is where these types of settlements happen. So in this case, Jamie doesn't send 2 Bitcoin to the pizzeria. He sends 200 Bitcoins to this contract, and every time he buys a pizza, he will send via this contract a Bitcoin towards the pizzeria owner. So not directly via the main chain as shown before, but via the side chain. And Jamie can now not only use a track that he prefers, like for example, I want to have lower due or very, very small fees. Then he will go through this route and then all the way back eventually towards the pizza. If he wants to do an anonymous pizza transaction because he might not want his wife to find out that he's ordering pizza while he's on a diet or something, he might go into that route, like the more anonymous way. If you want to combine the stuff, but you as a user have more options. Of course, this isn't all the holy grail solution for your scalability problem, because that's what I'm currently describing. But Lightning Network is a very good step ahead onto scaling, and it offers enough security for small transactions, like buying pizza, for example. But it does affect the security and decentralization in a few ways. So we wrote about it in the further literature, or in the literature. You can see way more or very good explanations in the further readings or further viewings, as you might say as well. If you have any questions after seeing those videos or after reading the transcript / literature, do it again, just ask us in the Slack or walk up to Jamie himself, because Jamie is teaching at the blockchain miner here at TUAS, and he does truly love pizza a lot, and kebab and shawarma and etc. etc.